This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make tacos from scratch. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll want quality meat, such as ground beef or shredded chicken, along with fresh tortillas and your favorite toppings. Next, prepare your protein by seasoning it well and cooking it until it's tender and flavorful. Finally, warm your tortillas gently so they are soft and easy to fold. This foundational prep ensures a delicious taco experience. Now, let's focus on crafting that delicious taco filling. Start by browning about 1 pound of your chosen ground meat in a skillet over medium heat. Once cooked through, drain any excess fat for a leaner result. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning along with 1/4 cup of water. Let this mixture simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken. This creates a rich, savory base for your tacos. With your filling ready and tortillas warm, it's time for the best part, assembly. Take each warm tortilla and generously fill it with 2 to 3 tablespoons of your seasoned meat. Next, pile on your favorite toppings. Think shredded cheese, crisp lettuce, diced tomatoes, and a dollop of fresh salsa. For an extra burst of flavor, garnish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of bright lime juice. Enjoy customizing each taco to your liking. The final touches truly elevate your homemade tacos. Offer a wide variety of toppings so everyone can create their perfect combination. Consider adding a creamy avocado sauce, pickled red onions, or even spicy jalapenos for a kick. These simple additions make a big difference. And hey, if you're looking to keep your kitchen clean after all that cooking, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.